who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning.
Welcome back to my kitchen. It is Miss Licious. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a owo and yam. I've never made owo soup before. This is my first time of making it. But I want to take you guys along the process of me learning. I called one of my aunts. She was the one who told me how to make it. But let's see how it goes. So if you are interested in learning the owo soup with me, keep watching.
These are the ingredients I'm going to be using: tomatoes, shrimps, snail, and smoked fish. I'm going to squeeze the tomatoes and put it in the blender. Then I'm going to add my shrimps. Add dry Cameroon pepper. Add a little bit of dead crayfish. Then blend. I'll pour into a pot. Add the snails. Add salt and seasoning cube. I'm going to put it on the fire now, then cover it for it to boil. When it's a little bit thickened, I'm going to add my smoked fish. And also be adding my shrimps. Then I'll stir everything together now. Next, I'm going to be adding garri. You add garri to your owo for it to thicken the owo. But before I add it, I'm going to blend it to remove all the seeds so that it will be very smooth. After adding garri, I'll stir everything, stir it very well so that it will mix with the owo, with the tomatoes. Stir everything well. Next, I'm going to be adding my potash, but I'll have to grind it first. After adding the potash, I will just stir everything together. I'll stir it very well, then leave it to cook for some time. Yummy, my owo is coming to life now. Next, I'm going to off my cooker and then allow the owo to cool down because I'm going to add oil to it. It's very necessary you off your gas and allow your owo to cool down. Now I'm going to put the yam on the fire. Just add a little bit of water and salt, then put it on the cooker to cook. Now I'm going to add oil, then stir. Now the owo is ready. Don't put it back on the fire, just leave it. If you want to, you can put it, but it's better not to put it back on the fire. Yummy, the owo is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share. Owo can be served with yam, starch or garri depending on your reference. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.
So guys, we are done cooking. I'm really happy that the owo came out well, but I feel that the owo soup was too thick. Yes, I think it's because of the garri I added. Maybe the garri I added was too much. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. My name is Miss Licious, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Welcome to the family. And if you have not subscribed till now, try and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you all be notified whenever I upload new video. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next kitchen. Bye bye.